What's up, guys? I got two mystery boxes today and a sword and shield pack. I got the mystery boxes from Walgreens. They're like $4.99 each, and this is my first time opening it. It has 15 cards. I think it has a holo in the back. It doesn't say guaranteed holo, but I think it is. I think it does have a holo. But it kind of threw me off because I had to ask the worker if it was English cards or Spanish cards, because it says comprend 15 cartas. So hopefully it's English cards. Let's see what we got. I didn't even know Walgreens had Pokemon cards. Alright. Oh, what the heck? What? We got a Zapdos EX? Is that, I guess that's the holo card that it comes with? That's a really nice card. Let's see what else we got. Oh man. Wishful Baton. Shroomish. Droidegon. Cubone. Tynamo. Scraggy. Doublade. Steenie. Dragonair. Wow, that's a cool card. That's like Dragonair coming from the heavens. Dratini. Snover. Murkrow. Execute. Yanma. Pyukumuku. And that was the last card. So I noticed that all these cards are from different packs. Well, I think these cards are repacked. Like it comes from a third party company and they just repack it with, and they have like a deal with Walgreens or something like that. So let's see what this one has as well. Oh, what the heck? Mewtwo EX? Wow. Two EX cards. I wonder if all of them has it. That's really cool. That's really nice. I don't know which booster pack series this is from, but it is nice. Alright, Energy Retrieval, Alolan Grimer, Volibee, Poochyena, Zorua, Alolan Grimer. So it has a copy? That's two Alolan Grimer. Golduck, Squirtle, Magikarp, Litten, Charmeleon, Charmander, Ponyta, Rapidash, Charmander. I noticed that it has like at least two evolved forms, like how this one had the Dratini and Dragonair. And this one has Charmander, Charmeleon, Rapidash, and Ponyta. That's pretty cool that they were nice enough to do that. But man, Zapdos EX and the Mewtwo EX, really cool cards. Alright, let's see what we got in the Sword and Shield pack. Oh yeah, so the Sword and Shield pack can have a Rainbow Snorlax. This card's really cool. I use it in the Pokemon trading card game, and it's like always my go-to Pokemon. Is really strong. I learned how to play the game, and it's very fun. I've been playing it like almost every day. Oh, what the heck? Card code. Alright. Energy, Thwackey, Palpad, Citrus Berry, Maractus, Pikachu, Galarian Meowth, Sizzlipede, Wooloo, Rare Candy. Oh, Reverse Hollow Rare Candy. And Sandaconda. Wait, why does it look like the anaconda is getting eaten? Or does it just look like that? It looks like it's being wrapped by like another snake. I guess it's just like that. So these are some pretty cool buys. Check out Walgreens for some cards. Because I was able to get the Zapdos EX, Mewtwo EX, and this rare candy from the Sword and Shield. Thanks for watching, and check out my other Pokemon opening videos. Thanks. Bye.